Introducing a long-established plumbing, roofing and gas fitting business in Tumut, New South Wales. Forecast to turn over $950,000 in 2019, this well-established plumbing, roofing and gas fitting business offers a sensational location. Just 2.5 hours from Canberra, at the foot of the Snowy Mountains, the family business was established in 1998. Run by the current owners for 20 years, it provides plumbing, roofing and gas fitting services to Tumut and surrounding areas. Servicing both commercial and domestic clients, the sale includes equipment to the value of $56,000 and a 2004 Nissan Patrol. The business operates from a rented workshop and office on a 2-year lease, with a 2-year option which commenced August 2018. Trading hours are Monday to Friday, 7:30 a.m. to 4 p.m, and all staff excluding the working directors are happy to stay. You will need a New South Wales plumbing licence, and the current owners are happy to provide training as required. Tumut is a mecca for outdoor activities ranging from camping and hiking to water sports, skiing and fishing. The business is well placed in an up-and-coming property hotspot, making this an opportunity not to be missed.